Hello, my name is Tamara and today I'm going to redraw an old drawing of Homura from my sketchbook. Actually, you may have noticed that I've already uploaded something like that on my channel, but that video was very halved and unfinished. I just was very tired of it and tired now because it's about 10th or 11th time I am trying to record a voiceover for this big painting because I wanted to have a voiceover on this video from the start. So let's begin. I'm starting with a rough sketch. I slightly change Homer's pose and I also get rid of her braids and just draw her hair loose, because it's very uncommon for Homura to have like braids, but in the original art there are braids and I decided to get rid of them. I leave everything else pretty close to the original art. Also I little reference of Homura, and it seems like I had a reference while drawing the original art too. My canvas size 210 to 270 centimeters, and it's standard A4 sheet of paper size. I also had another swatch for horizontal A4 paper and also the one for the square. It's 270 on 270. I was very insecure about making a voiceover on this video because I think my voice sounds very strange on the recording, that it sounds very childlike and even masculine, but I am a woman, I am a female, so don't be shy and write in the comments what should I do. Should I make voiceover, or maybe I shouldn't do this because of awful voice. So from the sketch I moved to the coloring, and I decided to leave colors as they belong. Generally I do everything much cleaner and better because in time, because the original art was drawn with non-professional water-based markers and crayons and ball pens. But and now it will look like that, much better and much more professional. I am getting rid of like word colors and of gray shadow that I had on my drawing, on my original drawing, because this drawing, well, actually I had like water-based marker, of course. Again, these markers weren't like very professional. They would tell kids to doodle something, and I put a shade with this marker on the cord, and I was like, this cord looks good. Maybe I should put some shadows on her skin, and it looked awful. Don't do something like that, and fix it, because again this is drawing and you can just erase something you don't like in the traditional drawing. You can try to cover your mistakes, but won't succeed as much as you would with digital. So now I'm cleaning up Homura's face. I cleaned up her eyes and and I don't do anything with her smile yet because I want to find a good reference of really scary green, so I can draw her much better and much scarier one. I also decided to change habits and use some textured rectangular shaped brush instead of brush with opacity controlled by pressure as I usually do. I should decide to see if this will be more comfortable than just round brush. I can't say it's really comfortable, but I definitely like drawing with this brush, but just unusual brush took me a while to get used and learn how to rotate the image to actually draw the things you need to draw, not what the brush actually wants. So I'm continuing to slowly clean up and turn rough and messy and thick lines into thinner and nicer. And soon I'm going to choose what I should do next. Her right, all the body all the way down, including her other arm, her left arm. So as you can see, I chose to finish her right arm first, so I don't have to return to it. I already have too much things to return to, like green, and I think I should tell you what what she's holding in her hand, like some mask. So in a ballet story movie, there were like background elements that look like very scary, strange children, and when I drew the original art, I had a story behind the Homura holding mask, one of those children, is that she got really crazy or mad, and she took one of the children, ripped off head and put it on the stick like a mask, so basically just it's a head. And now I decided to put another story behind the drawing. I decided that maybe the mask should be like an illusion that Homura was slowly going crazy and she was slowly going insane because she had to move around timelines, and in all of those timelines she couldn't save Madoka, and so like she was almost in despair, and she also got really crazy and mad. And if you seen a Rebellion story movie, you can tell that in the end Homura wants Madoka to be just her. She doesn't want Madoka to like live and be like an actual human being. She wants her to be just her. Homura wants Madoka to belong on her. The mask is actually an allusion to Homura hiding her madness under this mask of being very calm and maybe just a little bit annoyed. on the outside. So now I have finally found a good reference for Homura's green, and I'm starting to do it. I'm starting to paint over her old green and draw the improved one from scratch. I'm very delighted with the result. I think maybe it doesn't look like very scary, but a bit unnerving, and this result is also very good for me because I don't have any like experience in drawing uh, greens or actually scary or ignoring or frightening things. And now I'm starting to draw her ruffles, and I also do it with a reference because I want to put much more effort into these ruffles, not than the ruffles on the original drawing, because those ruffles, they were awful. To be honest, I almost drew something like on this drawing, but I decided that I don't want like to draw ruffles like I usually do. I want to find the reference and put a lot of effort into it. No, actually, all the good art is it's all about putting a lot of effort into your drawings or your music or maybe your books, and even if it's like fan or maybe if it's some kind of skill, you should try, and you should put a lot of effort into it, because only if you really a lot of patience to finish it or to do something like that, you will succeed, and you will make something that many people like. So that's how it looked like, the old one and the new one from 2017 and from 2018. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more videos with voiceover, leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel for more sweet paintings. And that's all. Thank you very much for everything again, and goodbye.